Hi friends, for our writing center today, we are going to label a gingerbread cookie. So you're going to need your label a gingerbread cookie sheet like I have, and then also your brown book. We're going to actually turn our book into a gingerbread house when we're all done, which will look so cool. So the very first activity is our label a gingerbread cookie. So you need a glue stick and your scissors as well. All right, friends, ready? The first thing I'm going to do is cut it out. Remember, I'm going to put my thumb at the top, the rest of my fingers at the bottom, and my pointer finger is going to guide while I cut. And I'm going to cut right on the dotted line. So I'm going to cut out my cookie and the label a gingerbread cookie first. I'm going to leave my words as a whole strip so that I don't get confused. All right, friends, almost done. I have my cookie cut out. Now I'm going to cut off the words from the bottom, label a gingerbread cookie. I'm going to put this to the side for just a second. We'll glue this all in our book in a minute. So I have my gingerbread cookie. Now I'm going to cut out the words that I have. And we're going to look at these words together. Okay, friends, are you ready? I have the word arm, head. This is a long word. Buttons. Foot. And then this word, it looks like it's going to start with an I, but it actually is a long I sound. Tricky. This word is icing. Let's look at our words again. Arm, head, buttons, foot, icing. Let's cut out our first word, arm. And we've done our labeling activities before. I'm going to look for an arrow that is pointing to the arm. I see that this arrow right here in this box, that is pointing to the arm. So I have my word arm cut out. I'm going to use just a dot, not a lot of glue, and I'm going to put down the word arm. Go ahead and glue down the word arm. Now let's look at our words again. We have head, buttons, foot, icing. Let's do the word head next. Head. I'm going to cut out the word head, and I'm going to look for where the head is. I see that this arrow is pointing to the head on the gingerbread man. Head. I'm going to glue down the head. Our next word is the word buttons. Let's cut out the word buttons together. It's the one that starts with the B. Buttons. And let's look for our arrow that points to a button. I see that this arrow is pointing to the button, so I'm going to use just a dot, not a lot, and glue down the word buttons. All right. Our next word is the word foot. I'm going to cut out the word foot. And I see down here, this arrow is pointing to the foot. So I'm going to glue on the foot. And then our last word, remember it's a little tricky, is the word icing. I see this arrow right here is pointing to the icing on the gingerbread cookie. Okay, friends, now the next step, we need to open our booklet up. So I'm going to open, and I'm going to glue my gingerbread man and the label a gingerbread cookie, right here on this front flap. Okay, so I opened up. I'm going to go around the outside edges so that I really make sure this sticks. And I'm going to glue down my gingerbread cookie and the words, label a gingerbread cookie. All right, friends. Now, the very last thing you can do is neatly color in your gingerbread cookie to look like a gingerbread. All right, friends, you did awesome. Please remember to bring this activity with you for writing time. Mrs. Newlands and I will see you soon.